on YouTube? It's your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is a small business support video. A small business sent me some items to review their products, so if you want to see the items that I got, just stay tuned. Welcome back, you guys. I am super excited to be doing this video because business actually hit me up off of Instagram and wanted to send me some products to review, and I do have that here today as well. So we're going to start off with my first package, that was sent to me, and that was sent to me from My Biological Didn't Bother MBDB. I'll have it listed below, and you can find them on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, all the same thing. And she says, thanks a million. Thank you very much for reviewing the products. Oh, let me go get the other card. Sorry. Okay, so I'm back. Sorry about that. So there was another card in here, and I was looking at it because I did open it, but I did not look at the products because I wasn't sure who this was from because I was kind of confused by the name. But that's all. But yes, it says, thank you for supporting our business. We're in the process of getting more business supplies, etc. We wish you much success on your business as well. And then she listed what was included in the box. So I did check out her Facebook, her Instagram. I did check out their Instagram, and I did check out their website, and they sell a lot of items. They have lip gloss, they have body oils, they have body soaps that are natural. Everything's natural. And they also have bundles. So if you into hair, they got bundles as well. I saw some hats. So they have a lot of different things, so I would definitely check them out. So we're gonna get started and see what they sent, because like I said, I opened the box just so I could see what was the card and stuff and who it was from, but I didn't really look at what was. So I'm gonna like open it more if I can. Alright, so first thing up, we have a brush, and it's cute, and purple's my favorite color. Aww, that is super sweet. So yes, super cute, and it has their logo on there, and it's a nice little brush. Definitely nice. And this is it's a Detangler brush, and it's really nice. I think this will be great to use on my daughter and me, of course. So I like that, and of course I love that it's purple. And it's purple, so that's super sweet. So I really do like that. Okay, so the next item I see is this cute little headband. And it actually will match what I got going on, because my sweater is like a 3-color block. It has gray. So this is cute. It's a cute little hairband. Should have probably pushed my hair back, huh? Sorry. Let's see. I don't know the pricing on everything. I may link all that in the video or put it down below. I don't know. I don't know the prices of everything, but I will link their website, Instagram, and all that down below. But this is super cute, and it's just a gray headband that they sent. It's cute, and I love the little knot on it, and y'all know I love wearing some headbands, okay? So, yeah, I think I might just keep this on for the rest of the video. Keep my hair out the way. And then next up, ooh, this looks like some soap. And it came in this. So let's see what this is. Yeah, it's the Oatmeal Lavender Bath Soak. And yeah, so it's got oatmeal and lavender in it. So let me open this up and give it a smell. And I'm going to give this a try. Ooh. It is definitely full, y'all. Ooh, it smells like lavender, but it's not like overly bearing, because you know how some lavender stuff, the scent just be overly bearing. This is very nice. So I'm definitely going to try this, and I'll let you guys know in a future video how this soak performs. I might try it tonight. Alright, and then next up, she sent a few items in this little bag right here. Came packaged up like this. Ooh, super cute. So let's see. So I see a lip gloss. says MBDB Beauty. It has their logo on there. Oops. If I can get my camera to focus. So, yeah. Let's see. So, it says that this is Silver Sophistication Wand Tube. Ooh, this is cute. And it does have silver sparkles in it. So, yeah, I'm definitely going to try it out. I'm not going to put it on now because I have, like, on a brown gloss by NYX. One of those butter glosses. And I just don't want to get this wand dirty. So, yeah, I'm going to try this out. See if it has a scent. No scent, but it does have some silver sparkles in it. And I can see them coming off on the wand. So, let's see. Very, very cute. Very cute. See all those sparkles? Alright. Alright, so next up, she sent a lavender oil. And it's a sample size lavender oil. So let me see. I'm going to open it. It may need to be stirred or something. Oh, it smells really, really good. It's not like a really strong scent. And I like how it's like a dropper, you guys. Let me show you guys. My camera is not focusing really good. So let me put my hand right there. You see, it's like a little dropper. So that's kind of cute. But I think it might need to be stirred up a little bit because it seems like the oil and maybe whatever the scent is separating or shaking up. I don't know. Yeah. Definitely smells good. This smells awesome. This lavender smells delicious. This is something that I would wear like a perfume, like literally. Smells great. So that's awesome. And next she sent me some lashes in Flirt. These are Flirt. Those are cute. And I like her little money sign case. And it came with a spoolie. So yeah, that is very cute. See if you guys can see those. They are cute. These are definitely something I would wear. So yes, I'm going to give these a try. And hey, another company you can pick up some bomb lashes from, okay? So super cute. And put these back. And I like how it comes with a little bow on there. That's cute. And then last but not least, she sent another oil, and this one is the official body oil sample. So this one's the official body oil. Okay, it doesn't really smell like anything. It just smells like oil, so it's a body oil. Let's put a little drop on and see what it do. My hands are dry anyway too. So let's see. Just gonna put like maybe a drop or two. It's just a sample. Ooh. Okay. Okay. I'm looking shiny. But it's not super, like, overbearingly oily. I thought it might, like, because, you know, putting oils on. I definitely won't put this on my face. Okay, if you watch my channel, you know why. Don't do oil on the face. I've been traumatized, y'all, okay? But anyways, but yeah, look at that. Looks really nice. Okay. That is nice. I would probably use this maybe on my feet and also like, you know, on my hands and stuff for some extra moisture. I don't really put too much oils on my body and so forth. But that is everything that I got from, where is it? From MBDB. My biological didn't bother. So I'll have their Facebook, Instagram, and their Twitter linked down below. And I'll also have their store link down below so if you want to check them out. And it was really sweet of her to think of me to give them a shout out and to try some of her products. Like I said, this lavender oil smells great. I'm going to use it as a perfume, like little dabs here and there. Super great. And I'm going to try out the soak. And I love the detangling brush. Love the color. And definitely can use a detangling brush. Hello, 2 girls in this house can't get enough of them. And the lashes are definitely cute. I'm going to try them out, see how they do, see how my eyes like them, because you know your girl loves lashes. And if you don't know, I have my own business called Flirty Girl Lashes, and you can check us out because you know it's November, so we're going to be having a Black Friday sale where everything is 50% off. So you definitely want to check us out. But yeah, definitely check this business out as well. So, and pick some items up, because like I said, they sell a little bit of everything. If you just want to get like bottles to do like your own oils, they sell that. They have bundles, hats, and all the goodies that I just showed you. And this lip gloss is gorgeous. I can't wait to try it out. I wish I didn't have any on now, but I do. So yes, and the headband is cute. I almost forgot about that. Yes, that's everything that I picked up from her boutique. Everything that I got sent to me from another business. So if you guys want to support some small businesses, I'll have their stuff linked down below. But that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And comment down below, what did you like? So until next time, you guys, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.